Hey, what's up you guys? Star Arts Game here with the most frequently asked walkthrough on my channel, which is this game right here. Harvestmoon Back to Nature. Alright, so let's just play this game right away. Now this game right here used to be my favorite game at that time when I was maybe 5th grade or something. And still my favorite today. So this is the mayor of Mineral Town. What is your name? He said. Well, I think we just gonna type our channel name, Tara, and a little bit Mark at the end. So it looks like when the townspeople speaking to you is like Sarah with a little heart there. There you go. Is them okay? When is your birthday? Ooh, I think winter should be good. And 25. Yes. What is the name of the farm? Heavenly. I always name my farm Heavenly Farm. Heavenly Farm. There you go. Yes. What is the name of the dog of the farm? On the farm. Happy. I always name my dog Happy if I have a dog. But on this game I always name it Happy. This is okay. Alright, so let's just start the game. So guys, back in my childhood, this was my most favorite game of all time. Back in the day I used to play this like every single day after school. This game is just amazing. Well, what do you think? This was your grandpa's farm. So basically we're back on our grandpa's farm, and our grandpa is already deceased or dead. You remember when you were young and spent summer on this farm? So this story, I'm just gonna shut up now. So this is our father, and he can't. She's here. So basically, our father asked us to go to our grandpa's farm, and this is when the story begins. Alright guys, so as you can see there, you got a farm and a girl waiting for you in this town. But you still don't know yet who was the girl. Alright, so here we are, and here comes the... Yep. We would like to see how much you can accomplish in 3 years. So basically, the townspeople give you 3 years to make this farm back to how it was. As you can see here, we're messed up and we have to fix all of them, and we're gonna make it beautiful. Ooh, yes. So we have to leave if we can fix the farm. All right. Yes. All right, of course. Thank you. There you go. Yippee! Alright guys, so here we go. Here we are. There you go. So this is the house. We got a TV, we got that bookshelf, and this TV shows us the weather for tomorrow. Also some random channel here, and then New Year channel. And a farmer friend that explain everything about farm life. All right, so first thing, we're gonna go to the toolbox here, and we're gonna get 2 things here. First this one and this one. There you go, and then we're gonna go out. And outside, the mayor already waiting. Good morning, Tara. I came to show you around the village. Yes, please. There you go. That way is for the farms, the other farms. You can buy chickens and other animals at those places. This is blacksmiths for you upgrading your tools. My god, I miss this game now. I miss the time I played this game when I was a kid on the PlayStation 1 console. Yep. This is a library. You can learn a lot from reading books. Of course, you can also ask me and the other villagers about things. Yes. Well, yes, I'm the one. Hello. Alrighty. Take care, Ellen. It's nice to see you too. And this is his house. Alright. And this is a supermarket for you to buy all of your seeds. Yep, still remember that. And this is the hospital. Hey, the clinic. If you're sick, when you're, sometimes you work too hard, you can go here to buy some medicine or just to go to see the doctor. And this is the inn. Yes. There's a restaurant on the first floor. The bar's open at sundown. And this square is for every single festivals. Yep. Well, I guess that's about all I have to say. Walk around and see what else is here. Alright, select for map. Start button. Can bird's eye view the whole farm. Alright. And the woodcutter gods on a mountain. Well, I have to go now. Thank you, Tara. Thank you, bye. And here he comes, Zack the buyer. Right? Ooh, you gotta pay on the spot. That's nice. Alright. Okay, basically you can sell anything that you can sell. Thank you. Bye. Well guys, so let the game begin. There you go. Alright, first thing first, we're gonna move real fast here. Throw this, throw that, and then bring back. Yep, this one. And basically you're gonna have 9 square for you to plant some seeds later. Now we're just going to take some water and just water every field here, and then we just only have to plant the seed later. There you go. Now hurry, hurry, hurry. And where's my dog? Where's my dog? There you go. Where are you? Where are you? Happy? Happy? There you go. Don't forget to put your dog in the house. Sometimes on the rainy days it will be hard to find. There you go. And then hurry, hurry, hurry before 10 o'clock. The first cutscene. So the thing about this game is on the first day there's a lot of cutscene for the townspeople. So for example, at 10 o'clock here, you just gotta go to the clinic, I believe, if I'm not mistaken here. It's already been a long time playing this game. Yep, the clinic. And there you go, the cutscene. Hello, you're Tara, owner of the Heavenly Farm, right? Oh my, you have a cat. There's a third. Excruciating. Really? Do you know why I said that? Because men aren't supposed to run for help for such a small cut. Here, have a bandage. Here you go. So you will get this bandage. Press R2 and to keep it. Alright, I'll see the doctor. Dear doctor. Hello, you're from the Heavenly Farm, right? Looks like you already got hurt. But it doesn't look bad. That's it? My god, what a waste. Alright, so next we're gonna go here. And we're gonna have another cutscene. So this is Stu, and Stu is where you gonna find out. And you're gonna give him your bandage. Thanks, I'm Stu, he said. And there you go. Stu, what's wrong? Boys aren't supposed to cry like that. Oh, this bandage, why did you use it? Because I got it from you. There you go. Romantic moment right there. Yeah. So basically Ellie is one of the girls that you can marry in this game, and that is one of the cutscene. Right, so next at 11 o'clock we're gonna go to supermarket. Exactly 11 o'clock. Yep, there you go. And this is the cutscene for Karen, the girl from supermarket. So this is Karen's father, and this is Karen's mother, and this is Karen's father. Karen's father is such a... Hey, I'll take this, put it on my tab. Oh, that thing. Okay, yeah, next time. Say, aren't you the guy from the Heavenly Farm? What's wrong? You don't look good. You should pay, you cheap old man. It's okay. It's okay. It's not your stores. It's Duke. Oh, Karen. You should pay when you buy something. Okay, you. I can't. He's afraid of girl. My girl there, Karen. There you go. So if you guys saw my Harvestmoon videos, you know that I always marry Karen. This girl right here. Alright, so as you can see here, this is his father, and he sells seeds, and also you can buy something like basket or this one, a rucksack, a bigger one than your rucksack. So your rucksack here only can hold like 2 items, 3 with something that you hold, but if you upgrade it you can hold like 4 things. We're gonna buy cucumber seeds, I think. How many we want to buy? 1 units. And then potato, of course. Or turnip first. It'll be the same, by the way. Ooh, it's kinda expensive. God. And then potato seeds. How many you want to buy? Only 1. I guess send it to your farm later. Alright, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Alright. Now we're gonna go to the inn. And we're gonna meet another girl. And her name is Anne. Welcome, please take your time. Say you're the guy from the Heavenly Farm, right? Could you come here for a second? Ooh. That girl is my daughter. Anne, what do you think of her? She is cute! Oh well, that's good. As you can see, she's a bit tomboy for her age. Her mother was a little quieter, but I'm glad you said what you said. Alright.
What are you talking about?
It's a private matter.
Oh, Dad.
Nice to meet you too, Anne. Alright, so that is Anne. Take your time, thank you, but I gotta go. Another cutscene, I think. Back to the doctor. I'm not sure though. Sometimes the cutscene is I think it's after 12 o'clock. I don't know, I forgot. Yep, still not there. We're gonna go to the church right here. Yes, we can see Karen and his close friend. So by the way, every single girl in this game, you got a guy that also can be your enemy to marry her. Sorry, I'm eating the candy here. Alright, so There you go. Now we gotta go to the farm, the poultry farm, and we're gonna meet the girl called, I think it's poultry farm, poultry. Potpourri. Here you go.
I hate you, Rick.
Potpourri? My god. What were you doing? Oh, hello. You're Tara, right? I guess you heard us arguing. What happened was one of our hands got killed by the stray dog. Oh. My sister Potpourri forgot to put it in the coop, so I got mad and yelled at her. Say, would you do me a favor and go bring Potpourri back home? I think she went up in the mountain behind our house. If I want to get her, we probably start. Yes, of course. Yep, why not? I'm gonna bring her back, don't worry. Hoop, we're gonna go here. And this is where Gods the woodcutter lives. And by the way, one of the villager here is having a birthday, so we're gonna pick this flower. We gotta keep it by press R2. And where's the other one? Also this. And we gotta give it to the old man living in a god's house called Louis. Well now, so who are you? My name is Louis, nice to meet you. I came here to study about bees. Here you go. Whoa, today is my birthday. You know, I live alone, so just getting things important to me. And another birthday. So basically, on their birthday, if you give something, some present on their birthday, and they like it, the heart meter is gonna rank up really fast. If you still don't know what heart meter is, you'll find out. And we're gonna go to the waterfall, and there's Potpourri. That's just about what happened, but Rick is so mean. My sympathies. So there you go. Thank you for staying with me. I'm sorry, I don't even know you, but wait a minute, you're Tar, the owner of the Heavenly Farm, right? I gotta apologize to Rick. There you go. Bye, see you again. Alright, so this is the waterfall, and there's a hot spring here, and a lot of food here. So basically, if you go to the hot spring for like 1 hour, you can get your strength back after you work. If your character starts to get tired, you can go to the hot spring for 1 hour, and you will get your strength back. And here it is, the secret place to get money a lot faster. So you gotta find some little miny thingy. So basically, this is a secret mine. Not the secret, actually. It's behind the waterfall. And we gotta find out a ladder, by the way, to make us go down and find some ores. No, it's junk. Yep, there you go. There you go. Ladder, go down, find a hole. And by the way, that was money. There you go, silver ore. Ooh, another money, another ore. Oh, another money. Ooh, another money. I'm rich. I'm rich. Just kidding. That's like only 1 gold. Alright, so as you can see here, we can only get 3 ores because our rucksack is still really small. But this is what you can do to help you get money a little bit faster, instead of you just waiting for the the plants to grow up. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. And we're gonna plant the seeds. There you go. Maybe we're gonna make another. Oop, throw it here. Throw it again. There you go. And I'm gonna make 2. Oh, as you can see here, the characters start to get tired. Yep, another 9 square. There you go. Make sure you make it like this, and we're gonna water it first. Ooh, again. I'll take the produce that's in the bean. There you go. So basically, Zach already pay us for today. Yay! There you go. Yes, now we gotta go inside because the seeds that from supermarket is sent to our toolbox. So we gotta go to our toolbox here. What could be in the toolbox? There you go, our seeds. There you go. Let's plant them. And another one. Alright, so basically we can end our day right now, but if you want to add some just a little money for today's earning, you can actually go back to the mine behind the waterfall and work until before midnight. Make sure you go to bed before midnight or you will pass out. Right, so we're gonna go back to the waterfall. This is what you can do if you want to get rich faster. hard work since the first day. And as you can see, this game is just so fun. Basically, if you want to just have fun, you don't have to do this, but for me, I just want to be rich faster. So by eating everything, also I can gain your strength. But as you can see here, if you like take a bath for an hour, you will get your whole strength back. So this is a secret right here. And we're gonna wait until 8 o'clock. Then there you go. Yep, already an hour. Dude. And then we're gonna go back to work again. And little tips for mining here: when you already see the hole, there you go. Now the next hole gonna be at the diagonal place from the previous hole. Ooh, look at that. There you go. Well, not exactly diagonal, but somewhere. Oh, so since here we already got 3, so we're gonna sell them all. So that's it, guys. If you want, you can just sell it and go back again, and sell it and go back again until you get the amount of money you want. But you still can see it until tomorrow when Zach pays you. But that's how to get rich faster, basically. Alright, guys, so I think we're gonna end our walkthrough right here. So this is gonna be the part 1. See you in the next part, which is part 2. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Ciao, Terra's Game here. See ya.